Welcome back to the Cleaning Professor. Today I wanted to talk about some of the must-haves with chemicals inside of commercial and office cleaning. So with these basic chemicals, you can pretty much attack any kind of commercial cleaning job, whether that be office, recreational facilities, or school cleanings. You just need these basic chemicals. So let's get started. Number one, you need a disinfectant. Now what does a disinfectant do? It kills all bacteria and germs on surfaces. And this is the item that you need to combat COVID-19 and different things that are inside of the commercial facilities that you're going to be servicing. So I would say that this is the number one product. You want to make sure that you have a disinfectant that usually disinfects within at least 2 or 3 minutes of being on the surface. This product that we're using is a Betco PH7Q Dual, which is a one-step process. One-step germicidal, disinfectant, and cleaner. So it works great. I definitely vouch for this product. The next product that you want to make sure that you have in your arsenal is a daily floor cleaner. You want it to have enough pH to where it actually is low sud, but also effective on the floor. We use the Betco Green Earth Daily Floor Cleaner. And as you'll probably be able to tell throughout our video, that we kind of prefer to use like one manufacturer, so we can use some of their chemical command centers, and we'll go over that a little later. But the Green Earth Daily Floor Cleaner is a great product. It removes the surface dirt off of the floor, but also leaves the shine. So I definitely recommend this product as well. Number 3, you always got to have a glass cleaner. Glass cleaning is very important because it kind of reviews the image of your site. So when you walk in, if you see that the glass is dirty, it's almost like walking into your living room at home, or walking into your friend's house and you see that their living room is dirty, then you're going to probably assume that the rest of their home is dirty as well. So the glass cleaner kind of provides something to where the effect of when you walk up to the door and you see the glass clean, it kind of just keeps your expectations at a level point. So we always tell our janitors and day porters that work inside of the sites to make sure that the glass in the front entrances and the detailing of the corners and some of the other things that we'll talk about later in other videos are serviced properly. So you definitely want to have a good glass cleaner in your arsenal. I recommend it to be ammonia based, just because I feel like it works a little bit better. Some people use a vinegar based glass cleaner, but my preference is ammonia. And this Betco Deep Blue is a good product. Number 4, stainless steel cleaner. This can either make or break you, and I'll tell you why. Most of the people that are going to be evaluating your service, they look for the details. And you can always tell an experienced company versus the mom and pop company based on how they service the stainless steel. Are they just wiping it? Are they not wiping it at all? Or are they polishing it and shining it? And this product is going to get you where you want to be. This is manufactured by a company, Unitech, that we get from a company in Atlanta called Jon-Don. But I think it's a great product. Not too much oil. Like sometimes I've seen stainless steel cleaners provide too much oil and it becomes like a slip hazard if you're putting it on railings and different things like that. But this is just enough balance, so I definitely recommend this product. Number 5, a liquid cream cleaner. And I'll tell you why. This product is for those stubborn spots or those stubborn rings inside of your toilet bowl or inside of water fountains or inside of sinks. So if you're keeping up a great daily maintenance on it, maybe you don't need that product, but every cleaning program makes its mistakes or has its industrial issues inside of the office or whatever facility that you service, and this will get you out of it. A lot of people compare it to an Ajax. Once you take that powder and you make it wet, it's like in a liquid form, and that's what this is. It's just a liquid cream cleanser, but a great product, and you want to add this to your arsenal office cleaning. Number 6, Citrofoam. And this is a foaming general purpose cleaner. The reason why I feel like this should be a part of your caddy for office and commercial cleaning is that it has an incredible power to do any kind of wall or vertical surface cleaning. Let me demonstrate. As I take the top off and I spray here, as you can notice that it just adheres to the wall, allowing dwell time to stay on in order to clean it with just a wipe. So I can just wipe the surface and kind of keep going. Where if I spray with a traditional sprayer, it may not adhere to the wall, it's gonna run down. So I think that this is a great product. Also good for graffiti items, any kind of crayons or markers and different things like that that's washable. This is a great product on that as well. Number 7, already, General Spotter. This is for your carpet spots that you see and that you want to go ahead and get taken care of, because everyone knows in carpet cleaning, the sooner you attack it, the better the results are going to be. So you always want to equip your teams out in the field with something that they can kind of instantly spray on that's general, that's not designed for one type of stain. It's a little bit of everything in this chemical formula that you can put in here and you can spray on, allow dwell, and then hit it with a brush. So I would make sure that if your sites have a lot of carpet, anything over 5 to 10% in the building of carpet, one of these need to be on the caddy. This is a general spot where you just put a spray nozzle on the top and you're ready to go. Number 8, freeze that chewing gum with chewing gum remover. So you pop the can off, the top off, and you force the straw off, stick it in the insert here, and then you can spray, and it's designed to put the straw up underneath on the side of the gum so you can kind of have it to penetrate the sides of it and spray around the gum spot. And then you chip away at it with a scraper or a putty knife. But you definitely want this to be a part of your caddy, just because you may run across gum. And again, you're trying to build a janitorial service that's all about the details. That is your service providers and your day porters and your janitors are not walking over dirt and they're not walking over gum. They're actually trying to get everything they come across up. So you'll be amazed if someone sees gum in the lobby and no one says anything about it, but they see that your crew is trying to get that particular piece of gum up. So these things are all important. I just went through 1 through 8. These are the things that you want to supply. Now you can go with bowl cleaners and different other chemicals. We can get into carpet pre-spray, bonnet chemicals, strip and wax chemicals, stripper and wax. But I just went over the basics for office cleaning and just maintaining your building. So if you put these products in there, you're gonna see some success. All right, have a good day.